how they created perfect stone carving without electricity. Look closely at an old building from the 18th or 19th century. Perfect symmetry, sharp edges, deep, precise ornamentation, stone carved as if it were cut by modern machines. And a simple question appears. How was this done without electricity, without power tools, without CNC machines? Today, we're going to answer that question, calmly and precisely. No legends, no lost civilizations, only real techniques, real tools, and real people. 1. Stone was not the enemy. The first misunderstanding is the stone itself. Most decorative carvings were not made from granite. Builders primarily used limestone, sandstone, marble, and tuff. These stones share one important property. When freshly quarried, they are much softer than people expect. Many blocks were carved immediately after extraction, before the stone fully hardened through exposure to air. This single detail explains a large part of the mystery. 2. Simple tools, highly specialized. There were no machines, but there was also no improvisation. A stone carver's workshop contained pointed chisels, toothed chisels, flat chisels, mallets of different weights, wooden and metal hammers. Each tool had a single, specific purpose. Carvers did not force the stone. They guided fractures along predictable paths. Tools were sharpened constantly, sometimes several times a day. A dull chisel meant loss of precision. 3. Accuracy without modern measurement. How did they achieve symmetry without lasers or electronics? They relied on compasses, calipers, rulers, plumb lines, water levels, measuring cords. These tools were not primitive. They were accurate enough to achieve millimeter precision. But the real secret was repetition. 4. The power of templates. Most repeating ornaments were not carved freehand. The process was methodical. A master design was created once. A wooden or plaster template was made. The outline was transferred to stone. Excess material was removed. Details were refined by hand. This turned artistic work into controlled replication, not industrial, but systematic. 5. Master workshops, not lone geniuses. Large buildings were never carved by one person. They were the product of workshops, a master carver, experienced craftsmen, and apprentices. Labor was divided. One shaped rough volumes, another refined geometry, another completed fine details. This is why progress was fast and quality remained consistent. 6. Why the results look too perfect. From a distance, old carvings appear flawless. Up close, imperfections exist. Tool marks, microchips, asymmetries. But the human eye blends them together. The perfection is optical, not mathematical, and that was enough. 7. Finishing without machines. Polishing was slow but effective. Surfaces were finished using sand, pumice, cloth, and water. Marble polishing could take weeks, but once finished, the surface reflected light smoothly, hiding minor flaws. 8. Time was the main resource. One decorative element could take several days, sometimes weeks, but hundreds were made in parallel. While one stone cured, another was carved. Projects lasted years, but time was cheaper than machinery. 9. Why we don't build like this anymore. Not because we can't, because it's inefficient. Manual stone carving requires years of training, skilled labor, long timelines. Modern buildings are not designed to last centuries. they don't need this level of craftsmanship.